Today marked day 19 of former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. On the stand again was the prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, Trump's former attorney and so-called fixer. Cohen offered a stunning admission after being questioned by the defense, saying he stole tens of thousands of dollars from Trump's company. And for more on this and the other big takeaways from today's trial, let's bring in Mike Sisak, Associated Press journalist who was inside the New York City courtroom. Mike, good to be with you. So tell us more about the funds that Cohen admitted to stealing, and how significant do you think that is? I mean, it seems like it could be pretty damning to the prosecution.
Yeah, this was just another step in the defense trying to undermine Michael Cohen's credibility. Cohen had acknowledged earlier in his testimony that he submitted for reimbursement. While he was getting reimbursed, paid for the $130,000 he shelled out to Stormy Daniels, the porn actor, he also submitted for a reimbursement of $50,000 in technology expenses. He explained on the witness stand today that that was to really gin up support for Donald Trump in a poll that was conducted online by CNBC. Now, that's kind of beside the point to your question, which is this admission upon questioning by a defense attorney. Cohen admitted that he did steal. He gave $20,000 to that company when the company was owed $50,000, and then he pocketed the rest. He was reimbursed $50,000, and the Trump organization doubled that in what they call grossing up, so that Cohen wouldn't lose any money when he paid taxes on that because he was reporting it as income. Now, Cohen said the reason he did this was he was angry because his annual holiday bonus had been slashed from the $150,000 he was used to around Christmas time to just $50,000. And as part of the reimbursement package, he saw the money that he was owed for this technology cost as a way to get some of that money back.
And Mike, what else stood out to you about Cohen's testimony? And will he be back on the stand tomorrow, or is today the last day?
Yeah, Cohen finished his testimony after nearly 4 full days on the stand. He won't be back on the witness stand in this trial. But there were several things that stood out as cross-examination concluded. Defense lawyer Todd Blanche really did try to poke holes at the credibility of the star prosecution witness about his recollection of key moments, phone calls that he said he had with Donald Trump, meetings where he says he discussed these hush money payments, the payment to Stormy Daniels. But on the flip side, prosecutors had another chance to question Cohen, and they sought to rehabilitate him and smooth over some of those questions. Among other things, prosecutor Susan Hoffinger got Cohen to say, upon questioning, that he had no doubt in his mind that he had those pivotal conversations with Donald Trump about paying Stormy Daniels and about being reimbursed for those payments. And right near the end of his testimony, Hoffinger asked Cohen what speaking out against Donald Trump had done to him, what effect it had on him. And Cohen said basically that it had had a devastating effect, that he had lost everything, his law license, his businesses that he had. All of this coming crumbling down around him after he spoke out against Donald Trump, leaving the jury maybe with a more emotional and seeing him as more than just a person who is a vocal critic of his former boss.
Mike, we're just about out of time, but real quick, a lot of people are asking, will the former president take the stand? What do you know?
It doesn't appear likely that Donald Trump will testify. Defense lawyers say they've so far called 2 witnesses, and just recently, they said they don't plan on calling any other witnesses. Of course, that doesn't explicitly answer the question. There's still a chance Trump could testify, but for all intents and purposes, it sounds like he is waiving his right to testify in his own defense.
Okay, Mike, thank you so much. Appreciate it.